speaking English, then you speaking English, little.
It's okay. Yeah, we can fix bahasa in English. Okay for us. Here we are learn together. No underestimate each other. No speeding on each other, and then no mocking each other. Tidak ada peremehan, tidak ada perendahan, dan tidak ada menginjak. Here we are learning together.
Okay, where did you study? Where are you studying? Are you still studying? Yes. Because university. No? Are you studying now?
Study, kuliah.
Study? Yes. Where do you study?
Unsia.
Harapan Bangsa.
Apa bahasa?
In the Batok.
Oh, harapan bangsa yang betul.
Harapan Bangsa. Are you teaching here? No? Are you a teacher or are you a student? No, student.
Student.
I heard Harapan Bangsa boarding school.
No, boarding school no. Kesehatan apa?
Kesehatan, health.
Oh, health.
I think
Health.
Health stuff. Medicine.
health medicine.
So you can share about your activity.
Yeah, activity. Maybe activity daily activity after we woke up every morning when we will go,
Your
and then
activity every day.
every day. Beside, we go to campus. What is the other activity? Just learning or hang out or jogging or playing football or what else, or swimming in the beach or where occasion we want. Just share for us. Share us.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can share your good activity.
Yeah.
What you think you can speak. What you think about.
You
one
can
point.
speak bahasa and English, bahasa Indonesia dan bahasa Inggris. If you don't know bahasa English, you can speak
mix.
with bahasa Indonesia.
Or
Yeah.
you can ask us yes, ask
Yeah.
us if you not understand about
What
buku
is-
in English.
Yeah.
What is kecamatan in English?
Yes.
Just introduce yourself first.
Yes, introduce yourself.
Enggak cerita.
Enggak, introduce yourself, perkenalkan diri.
Perkenalkan diri dulu.
English ya.
My name is Khairul Fahmi. I live in Nagaraya City.
Nagaraya.
Yeah, so far away from Banda
I
Aceh.
study in the Harapan Bangsa
Health. Health University.
University. I'm hobby in football.
Football.
No, football.
Uh,
Yang Mr. Randi.
Yeah. Yang apa? Gone, it's okay. Football and then
football.
your hobbies. Playing and then swimming, no?
No.
Playing badminton or
Badminton,
volleyball.
Tapi I like, but I like in football.
Oh, football.
My food in.
Your favorite food, right?
No,
I got it.
In the,
Kuah pli, no.
no.
Oh, kuah pli.
Gulai jeruk.
Oh, gulai jeruk.
Gulai jeruk.
I never found that one.
Gulai rampung.
Gulai rampung.
Kuah belangong, no?
Yes.
Oh, kuah belangong, yeah.
Yes.
Gulai rampung. Gulai jeruk.
That's it?
Yes. No.
That's it?
Finish.
Okay, I have question. This is very simple question. How many time do you spend your time per day for playing football?
One day. 13 minutes.
Oh, 30 minutes.
Per hand.
You can speak bahasa.
A
it's okay.
Day.
A day you expend 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Oh, yeah, I got it.
Because I like football.
Oh, yeah. Every man like
Yes.
football, right? Yeah. I got it. Yeah, very awesome. Besides football, what activity do you like? Selain
Because
beside-
in the campus,
in the campus, yeah,
city,
campus.
my friend in play football in the campus.
Play football, yeah. That's why you like football, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Mr. What is name again?
Khairul.
Khairul. Okay,